Today we're going to talk about creatine monohydrate and what's the best way to take creatine monohydrate. You take it with food, you take it with like inside your, like, let's say you're gonna have coffee, you put inside your coffee or tea or juice or anything like that. I'm hearing that the best way to take creatine monohydrate is in distilled water, distilled warm water and stuff like that. And it has to dissolve properly for your body to absorb it. So I got everything set up right here. I got two glasses. I'm going to use this regular water, and I'm going to use, you know, distilled water for this side right here. I got something on the stove. I got some distilled water on the stove. So I'm gonna. So this is distilled water and is hot. So I'm just gonna pour this in, just like so. Right. So that's my. This is this is the distilled water. That's the this one right here is that's distilled water, and this one right here is some regular, just a regular water from a water bottle, just like that. So I'm gonna pour that in and see which one dissolve first. I want to make sure I got about the same height. So I got my creatine here. So I'm gonna pour 1 scoop each. First, I'm gonna pour 1 scoop in your regular bottled water, just like that. So make sure it's even, and then 1 scoop in your distilled water, just like that. So right now I'm gonna stir both and see if they dissolve. Which one dissolve? So it seems like the one with the hot water dissolved completely, but the one with the room temperature water, is not dissolving. You could see it's still floating about there. You could still see it. So it is confirmed. It is confirmed. So the best way to take creatine monohydrate is with warm water and distilled water, just like this one right here. I got this from the store, so just use distilled water. Um, Remember, distilled water doesn't have any minerals in it. It's pure, don't have any mineral. So when you mix your creatine monohydrate, it's not gonna stick to the mineral inside the water. It's gonna completely dissolve, just like you see here. See, this one right here is the distilled water, and this one right here is a regular bottle. See, you can still see it's not completely dissolved, not completely dissolved. I don't know if you could see it. You could see all that stuff floating around inside here. So it's not completely dissolved, but the distilled water is kind of hot. I don't want to burn myself. The distilled water is very hot. I don't know if you could see it. Let me try to see. It's completely dissolved, just like that. So yes, so the best way. Ooh, so the best way to take creatine monohydrate is in distilled water. Is in distilled water, and is in warm distilled water. So I just want to do is show you this quick video. This is my tip for you guys. So if you guys are ready to do any exercise, and you guys ready to buy creatine, this is the one I buy here from Amazon. I'm gonna put this in the link if you guys want to go to Amazon and check it out. I'm put this in the description, the link in the description, so you guys could go to Amazon and check it out. But this is it right here. So I'm showing you the best way to see. It's still not completely dissolved, but this one right here in the warm water, it's still warm water, is completely dissolved. So I just want to show you this quick video. about creatine monohydrate. So the best thing for you to do if you're taking creatine monohydrate is to take it pure. Don't take it with no juice, coffee, or anything like that. Just take it pure and with a distilled water. You could buy it from the store, any store, anything like that, distilled water. Because remember now, distilled water doesn't have any minerals in it, anything for the creatine to cling to or anything like that. So warm water, warm distilled water is the best way to go. That way, when you take the creatine monohydrate, it's completely dissolved. So as you're drinking it, your body will absorb it more better because it's completely dissolved inside the water. Versus the bottled water is not gonna, you see, it's still cloudy or anything like that. It's not gonna, your body's not gonna completely absorb it because it's still, it's not even in solution or anything like that. See, so thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video.